Hey, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm back up at the park working with my DJI MINI 2 drone, and the home feature's not working. Now it says, when I have it on the target, it says home established or GPS or whatever it is it says. I can't remember now. And then I take it up to and fly around a little bit, and I take it up to 200 feet and I push the return home button and it takes off in the other direction. I mean, if you guys have any ideas, please post them in the description or in the comment section below the description so I can figure out what I'm doing wrong, because I'm doing something wrong. I have to hit cancel and then bring it back manually because it won't come home. I've tried it 2 or 3 times today, and one time it didn't even show the home button. You know how you push the button on the left side of the phone to bring it home and it says land, and you hold down land and it starts landing from wherever it's at, and you don't want that to happen. You want to bring it back to where you're at before you land it. So anyway, I appreciate it if you watch the video and see how I get it up to 200 feet, and then it takes off when I push it to come home in the opposite direction, and I have to take control of it and bring it back. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another one for you soon. But watch this video and tell me what I'm doing wrong, if you would, please. Here we go. Now I'm getting up there, almost 200 feet. Here we go. I'm at 200 feet now. I'm going to let go of the controls. Drone's going to stop. Now I'm hitting the home button. It's turning around and going. It don't know which way to go. I'm having to take control of the drone because it's going every which way except for back to me. So now I can't. It's so high I can't see it, but I'm trying to find my vehicle to bring it back down to the ground. I can see that I'm in the park. And now I'm going to turn it around and come back to the van man, and land it on the landing pad. But I did this manually. It would not come back at all. Any help would be great. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching the video.